Okay guys, today we're gonna be doing contains duplicate and it's an easy problem. We just gotta create a set and check if there's already the number in the set, and if it is, we just return true integer. So you create a set in Java. Set equal hash set like this. So we're gonna go through the numbers, num and nums, and we're gonna check if if set dot contain num, then we return true. So for this example, right, if this number is already in our set, then that means there will be a duplicate. So we just return true. And if it's not, then we just want to add that to our set. So set dot add num. That. Then once we go through this loop, everything should be added up. That means there's no duplicate. So we return false like this. Yeah, should work. Yep, that's how you do in Java. Submit. Yep, doing it in Python is basically the same thing. So first you just make a set. Then for num and nums, or we just put num. And if num in my set, we just return true. Else we just add that to our set. So my set dot add num. Then once we go through the loop, everything should be added. So there's no duplicate. So we just return false. Like that. Yeah.